Hello guys, welcome to my class. I'm Satoshi Sensei and I'll be your Japanese teacher. Welcome to my classroom. Are you ready for today's lesson? So let's have some trivia about Pokemon names in Japanese. Our first Pokemon today is our Bulbasaur, which is the first Pokemon that it's in the Pokédex. But in Japanese, they call it in a different way. They call it Fushigidane. Fushigidane. It comes from the two words of fushigi, which means mystery, and dane or tane, which is seed. Type kusa, which is grass, and dogu is a poison. So this is a grass poison Pokemon. Our second Pokemon is Charmander. Very cute and strong Pokemon. Our Charmander in Japanese, we call him in a different way. We call him now Hitokage. Hitokage. It comes also from a two word, which is the first word now is we have our heat, which is fire, and Tokage, which is a lizard. The Pokemon type of this one is Kohono, which is fire. And the most popular and mascot of the Pokemon, we have our Pikachu. Yeah, our yellow mouse Pokemon that is so strong and best friend of Ash. But in Japanese, the spell is kind of different because it's become a double E. Come now, Pikachu. Okay. It comes also from the two word of Pika, okay, which is actually means a sparks or sparkle, and then onomatopoeia sound for chu for the mouse. So its type is Denki, which is thunder. Mina, 一緒に日本語を勉強しましょう. See you in my class.